Hi guys, it's GameDan25. I am just making another video of a Telefunken Bluetooth speaker. Um, Basically it's going to be an unboxing and with sounds. Um, and how does it sound and what's it like, what's the texture like, and yeah, it's a splash proof Bluetooth speaker. So I'm not sure if it's waterproof, but I know it is splash proof because there's like some rubber silicone to it, and you can stick it to a glass window or to a table or so where it's supported and it won't like move easily around. I'll show you guys how it looks, and yeah. So this is the Telefunken Bluetooth speaker. That's how the box look. I think it is splash proof, and I think you can use it for quite a few devices. Not on your iPhone, you can use it for your Android phones. Just like the previous Bluetooth speaker that I reviewed, which was the Volcano Bluetooth speaker. That model, that TDP, that is normally the Bluetooth name when you're like searching for it, and you can use it as a stand for your phones or as for your tablets or so, or against surfaces like on like table or a window or so, especially like if you're in the shower or so. That's how that side looks. It's compatible with iPad, mobile devices, computers, and MP3 players if it has Bluetooth compatibility. There's more stuff there. I kind of damaged the box a bit, but yeah. So that's how it looks all around, and let's just take another zoom into what possibly will want to do it of it. But yeah, I have opened the box before, so I kind of know what it all entails. Out, and it's very difficult to do this with money. Okay, so you get the device. I'll get to the device now, and you get a cable. The cable is a normal micro cable. It's like for the BlackBerry and some Samsung phones and some Android phones, should I say, to use the same kind of cable, and it's a kind of a long cable. What you get, normal USB 2.0, it looks like, yeah, 2.0. That's just to charge it, and the instruction manual is down there, but I don't feel like scratching further into the box. Yeah, so let me just close that up. So basically this feel like a rubber. You know, the erasers, it feel like that, because it's kind of waterproof, and like I said, it's like a suction thing, so you can move it around. Sticks, yeah, and it's very sticky when you stick it to the ground, so you can see I'm kind of moving it like so. Yeah, so you can also stick it against windows, as you can see, stick to a window, and yeah. So these are rounded. It has a Bluetooth notification, well, not the Bluetooth notification, but it has a speaker which is on top, and it has a microphone which is there, that hole there, and it got a loud and well, volume buttons, and pause and play. I think you can also skip and rewind, or rewind and skip, I'm not sure. But yeah, that's a speaker. Again, this is not one where one of the speakers that has like a sub in it. It just has like a normal speaker, so that you can like watch series or watch movies or so with a little bit of extra sound than using just your standard phone speakers. I think you can play up to 2 hours, or if you're really stretching 3 hours, I'm not sure. This section here is for the to switch on the Bluetooth and the charging. Let's just look inside. Yeah, the charging and switch on the Bluetooth. Right now I am going to show you how to switch it on. So basically this is now it's on off. So you can switch it on, and that's the sound of when it goes on. And like I said, it's not waterproof. It's maybe splash proof, but I don't suggest put it by inside the shower, maybe the outside of the shower, or somewhere where you can still hear your music. Right now it's kind of searching for something what is Bluetooth connected. I'm gonna connect my PC so you can hear basically, and I'm gonna stick it down. So again, you don't have to stick it down to listen to your music. I just stick it down so you guys can see. Just switch that on, and the light should go off once the thing is synced up or fine. There we go. So you can actually use so the speaker is very loud, as you could hear. It gets very loud. It doesn't distort easily. So yeah, the speaker is very loud, and I am playing it through VLC, so it can get very loud, and I'm going to switch it off, and I just open the socket and click that to the other side, and now it is off. See, the light is off, so that is off. And basically, how much do you use it? But it is a nice handy Bluetooth small speaker. It is very small, so you can see that's how small the speaker is. So if you guys know, this is the case of a front loader's face, and that's a standard size. So that is the Telefunken Bluetooth speaker. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe, and don't let anyone bring you down. Always stay positive, and yeah, cheers guys.